Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a cheese grilled sandwich. Heat a skillet to medium and butter the outer sides of both slices evenly. Place cheese between bread, add a pinch of salt and optional herbs, then press gently. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and cheese is melted. Let rest 1 minute before cutting to avoid cheese runout. Gather cheese, bread, butter, and any thin fillings you prefer like tomato or ham. Grate or slice roughly 3 to 4 ounces of cheese per sandwich for good melt coverage. Spread butter thinly and evenly on the outside of both bread slices to crisp up nicely. Layer cheese and fillings inside, keeping it balanced to avoid spillage. Preheat your pan so the sandwich cooks evenly and finishes with a satisfying crunch. Place the assembled sandwich into the preheated skillet and press gently with a spatula or a weight to ensure even contact. Cook on medium heat so the bread browns slowly while the cheese melts through without burning. Flip once the first side reaches a deep golden color and continue cooking until the center is fully melted. Transfer to a cutting board and let sit briefly before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.